David Diaz. My pronouns are he, him, his, and I'm going to be running the Social Justice Self-Compassion Mindfulness Hour.
My name is Haim Shemer. My pronouns are he, him, his. The workshop I will be running is Mindfulness Studio.
Hi, I'm Dr. Erin Bartelma, and my pronouns are she, her, hers. I will be running 2 RISE workshops. One is our Sunrise session, which is co-led with Recreation and a trauma-informed yoga teacher, and then also our Performance Lab. The RISE programming is based on research from the fields of performance and positive psychology, mind-body science, and with a focus on community building. In these workshops, we teach skills that will help with a variety of challenges, such as dealing with stress, depression, anxiety, difficulties with sleep, and also create space for identity exploration and development. Participation in each of our workshops aims to help you improve your overall well-being while honoring your journey and resilience.
Can learn about resources and strategies that they can use on their own to help promote their overall well-being. The groups are done in small settings for students to be able to engage in enriching conversations as well as create meaningful relationships. Students can also expect to learn about some of the basics of mindfulness exercises and also become familiar with some of the resources we have on campus, such as our connection with the mindfulness app, Headspace.
A really great thing about our RISE workshops is that each workshop is unique. A lot of thought, care, and planning goes into how the workshops will be set up to foster both a learning environment and a Triton community building opportunity. They're interactive and fun. One thing for certain that you can expect from all of our workshops is that you'll walk away with an applicable skill that you can practice in your life. And we also hope that you'll walk away feeling inspired.
A student who attends the Social Justice Self-Compassion Mindfulness Hour could expect to have a space to discuss and connect either with myself or other students on just personal, college, or just social level social justice concerns or experiences, while also attending to your well-being through guided meditations. Also be including recommendations that you could do after the meditation through the Shine app.
The RISE workshops were developed with inclusivity and access at the forefront of planning. So we have a full hybrid offering and every workshop is open to all Tritons.
Students do not need to be clients of CAPS to attend any of these workshops. There are no costs or fees associated with attending the workshops, and students can attend as many workshops as they would like.
We really encourage you to bring a friend to help our RISE community grow.
Everyone's welcome. You just need to have an interest in talking about social justice issues related to either your personal life, or life at UCSD, or just the world around you. You can talk about different topics related to social justice, whether it be related to education, immigration, racism, LGBTQ rights, gender, or just exploring how to be an ally. You don't have to necessarily talk in all the meetings or engage in all the mindfulness exercises. It's pretty much at your pace. You have no need to know any prior experience with mindfulness or the topics. It's just being open and interested in having these discussions and connecting with others.
Sunrise Yoga is a well-being and movement-based session designed to both ground and inspire you. Every week, we focus on exploring a different theme, and classes incorporate journaling, reflection, mind-body skills, creating a growth mindset, and really setting your intentions for the week ahead. Last year, this class began to have a community following because students share how meaningful this class has been to them and the community that is rising from it. Based on popular demand, we are now planning some additional special Triton Rise yoga events, so stay tuned for those too.
It's really good to know that mindfulness is such a meaningful life skill for all of us to have, and all of us can really benefit from it. Benefits are far-reaching, from working on our day-to-day functioning, engaging in our well-being, promoting our personal relationships, as well as working on our stress and our anxiety. Some students may find it difficult to create a routine for mindfulness practices, and this is why it's so great to have this weekly space of the RISE Mindfulness Studio to have people come in to small groups, very supportive space for them to engage in those exercises and eventually develop their own routine of mindfulness practice.
Performance Lab is an interactive workshop designed to teach success strategies and techniques to help you flourish in the classroom and in life. Each week, we aim to create a virtual lab experience that is based on performance psychology, often referred to as the science of success. We cover a new topic every week and discuss research-based skills you can practice and apply, including areas such as building and maintaining motivation, goal setting, focus, consistency, and managing test and performance anxiety. You can drop in for one workshop or join us for an entire series. Students tell me that Sunrise was the highlight of their quarter, and another graduating senior shared that they wish Sunrise had started earlier in their time at UCSD so they could get more involved in the community that is building.
Students who have attended the Mindfulness Studio workshop have expressed their surprise at how much better they already feel after attending only one workshop. Also, seasoned students, they come to us with experience in mindfulness and meditation, learn new techniques because we continue experiencing with different and a wide array of techniques.
Students typically tell me that they're glad they attended. They really appreciate the space to discuss the social justice issues and really enjoyed the mindfulness exercises, particularly at the end of the day.
In performance labs, students often tell me that they leave feeling motivated to practice the skills they've learned and share that learning how to have a growth mindset brings positivity into their life.